Hello, my name is Johan Ramirez. I'm industrial engineering student focused on optimization process and improving efficiency with a problem-solving mindset, seeking opportunities for professional development and contributing to operational improvements in the industrial sector. My strength added to more ability to aid responsibly is something important in a job leadership. Because I want to learn more about machine be done prevent or predictive maintenance and be able to fix more machines so they are working on in the way should take out a CM because I can especially more in the maintenance, repairing for all problem can be the machine also taking out production.